Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Kick mobile app not working. So to fix Kick mobile app not working, you can start by checking for server outages. Sometimes the platform itself experiences degraded performance. Before troubleshooting your device, check the Kick status page or search community platforms like DownDetector Kick profile to see if others are reporting a widespread outage. Now the next what you can do is clear app cache and data or offload the app. Just go to your device settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and then scroll down to find Kick, or you can just simply search it in your search bar. Tap on it, tap Upload App, and then immediately reinstall it. Now, if the data is corrupted, a fresh installation is the most reliable fix. Just delete the Kick app from your phone, restart your device, and download the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now the next what you can do is force quit and restart. You see when you open a Kick app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just swipe it off from the bottom of your screen, pause it in the middle, and then swipe it up again completely to close it from your multitasking screen. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.